Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and my friend Margarita and I are back in the kitchen. Hi! And we are going to make our DIY rose infused oil. The other day we made rose water, and Margarita has so many beautiful roses. We decided to make the rose oil, which is great for so many different things. You can use it when you're making your DIY soap. You can use it in body butter or face cream. You can use it by itself. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do, we've already got the water boiling, and we are going to get our roses into our jars.
All right.
So we're gonna just pop, I showed you, you just pop that top off, and we wanna just break these up. Ooh, they smell like roses.
This is so exciting. I just love it. I am loving my garden more and more each day. Well, you're quick.
Some of these cute little ones. So we have our rose petals crushed, and we are going to now add our oil. Margarita is going to use extra virgin olive oil,
which has antioxidants to help aging. You know, when we become 50 years old, we have to look younger.
Okay, and I'm going to use golden jojoba oil, which is very good for moisturizing your skin and anti-inflammatory. So we're just going to pour that right in. There we go. I'm just going to take the end of my wooden spoon and gently move this around to make sure we get all the air out and that the oil is totally covering all the petals. I'm gonna put the lid on, and I'm not gonna shake it, but I'm gonna swirl it around. Okay, let Margarita get hers ready.
Okay. Is there a trick to this? Oh, only use one. There we go.
Now just, you don't want to shake it, you want to, there you go,
Swirl
it around.
All right.
So we have mainly the red roses in here, but a few yellow petals from a yellow rose. Okay, so now we're putting our rose petals into the steamer basket. There's a cup of water, 1.5 cups of water that has already come to a boil. We're gonna let those sit for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna allow them to come down to room temperature and let it infuse for 24 hours. It's been 24 hours, so now we are going to take our rose petals and the oil and separate them so that we have our infused rose oil. I'm using a coffee filter, and we're gonna put this in and let it seep right through there. Dropped right down in there. Okay, the coffee filter did not work so well, so I have a new pair of socks. We're gonna give that a try. See if we can get this going without it dropping down into the jar. Rose infused oil. I'm going to add a couple of drops of vitamin E oil into my jojoba, golden jojoba infused rose oil. This will help to preserve it. I have pure essential rose oil, and I'm going to put just a little bit of that into my infused 5 into my infused rose jojoba oil, and it's gonna be amazing. I've got my infused oil and I will use this on my face, on my arms, anywhere on my body that I would like. And I will also use it probably in making soap and any other body products that I choose to use it in. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I sure hope you'll give us a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Bye.
Bye.